We are here at the ST stand at Maker Faire 2022, and what we have here is, well, I will let them explain it themselves.
So nice to meet you all. What we have here is our demo to explain this proof of concept that is made with a hat, an ST hat, and a board. Inside this board there are a lot of sensors, but for this demo only we are using one sensor. Okay, it's an EMU sensor, 6 axis, embedding the machine learning core. Okay. What we did here is to develop an algorithm for machine learning to detect 2 classes. One class is the hat is on the table. The 2 classes I have the hat on.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so when the hat is on the table, the class that you see here, without any false positive results, should be 0, 0.
Yeah.
It's not 0, 0 now, but
not
it will be.
but
Yes,
yeah,
but it's 0, 0. Now it's 0, 0. As soon as I put my hat on, it will recognize that I have my hat on, and so it's moving while I'm following myself.
Yeah.
The idea is to promote these components for the Metaverse, for applications like augmented reality, virtual reality, and so on, to allow a precise tracking of your movements first, and to switch off the device when it's not needed. So when you have the device in standby, you just switch off all the components, and all the algorithm run in the EMU sensor.
Yeah. So just out of interest, you said there's other sensors on the board, and there's also a machine learning core on the board itself. What is the name of this particular evaluation unit?
This is called SensorTile.box.
Okay.
And for this demo, we are only using one sensor inside the board. That is the EMU sensor, embedding the machine learning core.
Okay.
Okay.
So the machine learning core is embedded in the initial measurement unit. I see. That's really interesting.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So we are just using one sensor for this demo.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's really cool. Thank you so much for telling me about this. Yeah. Cheers. Have a great day.
Thank you.